Yeah. Some people come into your life and you just know ain't nobody else built like them. I've been staying up for days trying to find my thoughts. Everybody see the fame, they don't see the cost. They don't hear the silence after everybody gone. All the way a broken heart can make a house feel wrong. I got used to people leaving when I needed love, so now I keep my guard high even when I open up. It's hard to trust somebody when abandonment familiar. Hard to feel alive when every day could probably kill you. I got pain inside my body I can't even explain, so I mix it with the drugs just to water down the rain. Temporary peace, but the price is getting steep. Cause the pills help me sleep, but they haunt me in my dreams. Then you came around different from the rest somehow. You could hear the hurt in me without me saying out loud. And for the first time in a while, I ain't feel alone. You made broken feel like maybe it could still be home. God made one of you, then forgot the recipe. That's why every time you leave, it takes the best of me. Nobody else sees my soul the way you do, and that's what makes losing you impossible to move through. I've been fighting demons almost every evening, trying to find a reason not to give up breathing. If I don't make it through the night, just know honestly, a piece of me was dying long before the drugs got me. It's crazy how depression can look normal from afar. You can laugh with everybody while you falling apart. You can answer every text saying I'm alright, while you sitting in the dark arguing with life. And addiction ain't about getting high anymore. At some point it just become a way to stop the war. Cause when your own mind turn into a place you can't escape, anything that gives relief starts feeling safe. I think that's what scares me the most these days. How easy it is to fade while everybody look away. How people only notice when the damage finally shows, but pain grows quiet first before it overflows. Sometimes I wonder if I'm meant to heal it all, or if I'm one bad night away from losing it all. Hey, then I hear your voice and it slow the storming, like maybe there's still something worth surviving for. If love real, I think I finally understand. It's finding somebody who can hold your soul in their hand. Not trying to fix you, not trying to run, just sitting in the dark with you until the sunrise comes. God made one of you, then forgot the recipe, and ever since I met you, nothing else feels complete.